I got one more. Just finish up here. All right, 1987. Don Zimmer is our third base coach, all right? That whole year, he sent everybody from third base. And he's a gambling man, as y'all well know, all right? We had like 3 or 4 guys throwing out at home plate, so, I mean, we had a great year. I'm on second base, Kevin Mitchell, or take that back, Jeffrey Leonard, whoever it was, got a base hit. I come around third, and you know, when a coach is waving you around third, they usually say just 1 or 2 things, like, you know, you got to hurry, or you got plenty of time, you're going to be saved, something like that. Don Zimmer's waving me around, the first thing he tells me is, he says, you got to go, but you're going to be out. If I'm going to be out, why are you sending me? You know? And as luck would have it, throws up the line, whatever, slide in, save one of those numbers after the games. I walked up to him and I said, do not say that to me when I'm coming around third base. Tell me something else like you got to go or something like that. I said, that's not going to cut. Will Clark and Barry Zito.